Hello, and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. So yeah, it shows some movement. It's a bit too early to really confirm that price has already bottomed, but what can I say? We did say if it really forms a lasting low. 1 second, I need to move that here. If it really forms a lasting low somewhere, it should really move from here, from the 19 cent level at the very latest. Only a few days ago, I think, I sent a signal through, or I made a video, I can't remember, and said it really needs to turn around here or it will probably make new bear market lows. Well, not new bear market lows, that's far away, but new local lows below the 10th of June low. As you know, typically the 78.6 retracement level is sort of the last level to which I want to see those wave 2s go to, where they can then still turn around, right? This is basically the level. If it goes below that, the setup is basically failed. It could then still work out, but it would be the exception. Therefore, we were looking for reversal at the 78.6 fib level in our trend reversal area. That's why they are on the charts. And we start to see some coins break out of these now. And you know how it is with the cryptos. They turn around at an instant. So we had Rune as well to turn around out of our support areas. Now FETCH.AI. I can only encourage anybody. I mean, if you entered in these areas, if you use these areas to enter, manage your risk, move up your stop loss, or do what's necessary, because first of all, it is too early to confirm that they are really in a sustained break. And then it's just not the altcoin market at the moment, really. It's not the market for altcoins at the moment. So I think there is an increased risk that these start to break down again. But anyway, you know, this sort of is now going, and we now need to see if it can really establish itself. We need to see 5 waves up in the next step. So again, here from this low, first of all, we saw 5 waves up, even though they were extremely ugly, but we gave it a chance. So we said, okay, we had 5 waves up in a leading diagonal, and then a corrective move down. I have to say, I don't like the look of these 5 up. I don't like the look of the wave 2. So therefore, I would encourage you, be careful, still be cautious. Don't take this for granted. This can easily break down. Even if it's doing something like that, A wave, B wave, C wave, absolutely possible. So after 3 waves, this can still easily fail. So every 5 wave move will give us further clarity. If this really is now in a 3rd wave in yellow, what would be a target? So the very first level I would focus on is basically here, those previous swing highs. It's a 78.6 Fibonacci extension at 25.4 cents. And then even probably more important is the 100% extension at 2.72 cents. No, 1 second, it's 27.2 cents. So 25.4 cents, yeah, and then 27.2 cents. So these are the 2 relevant levels. If it's a 3rd wave, it should really get to the 1.618 extension, at least 32.3 cents. Looking at the microstructure, obviously, if it is a 3rd wave, it should unfold in 5 waves as well. This is now, of course, very idealized, but it should be something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves in wave 3. So, and as soon as we have that first wave complete, we can look for the next setup in the wave 2. Really, we will only have a good view that this is bottomed once we have a first 1-2 setup. At the moment, we don't even have that one complete because it needs to be 5 waves. I can only see 3 so far. So this would need to go a little higher. What would be so I already gave you a target, right? But typically you see a wave 1, sub wave 1, as it is the white one, right? Typically go into the region between the 61.8 extension, 24.2 cents, and yeah, the 78.6 extension, 25.6. If it's doing something like Rune, well, it can go straight away. That's not necessarily healthy. Normally we want this not go above the 1-to-1 ratio without getting a first decent retracement. Yeah, they often then break down eventually. If they go too far too fast, they might break down. But yeah, now it's a bit of a wait and see. So we did say as long as this level is holding, the focus can be on higher. This so far is working out, but obviously now it needs to prove that it's something sustainable. Okay, that's my update about FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.